Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei Y6P, and today I'll show you how to use the screen recording feature. So to get started, let's simply pull down the notification panel and you will have the screen recorder toggle right here. So you can hold that and well, I guess you can't hold it, there's no settings to it. So simply tap on it, just allow all that stuff. Okay. It gives you a quick little demo of what it can do. So you have microphone, turn here. Touch here to turn the mic on or off, and then basically touch over there where the timer is to stop recording. So yes, we got it, not like it's a complicated setup there. As you can see, it's right now recording. When I'm sliding through pages, there is a little white dot following my finger. That's basically so on the recording it's visible where I was pressing, and whatever I will be doing now, it will be recorded. Now once I'm done, I'm just gonna tap over here, and then the footage is immediately saved to the gallery. And you have it right here, video. You can tap on it. I'm gonna mute this so there is no sound. And again, let's allow this. And you should see now that it's playing, I believe. Yep, there it is. Now right off the bat I can say that the quality of it is a little bit lower than the actual display, so keep that in mind. You're not getting even 720p. If you are, then it's kind of downscaled. But yeah, that is how you would record the screen. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.